Welcome to our VK Multipurpose Corner. Today video is very interesting because today video is based on baby cats, cute and funny cat videos. As you know, the baby cats are amazing creature because they are the cutest and most funny. Watching funny baby cats is the hardest try not to laugh challenge. This is the cutest and best video ever. It is funny and cute. Hope you like our funny video and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel BK Multipurpose Corner. Now baby, let's start about the videos, and we have to be discuss the lot of varieties of the cats, the British short hair cat, Bengal tiger, and lot of it is. And now we will let's start, and must be subscribe our BK Multipurpose Corner, the like share also. Yeah.